So I'm Freeman Murray. Currently I'm chapter president of the Bengaluru chapter of CodeForIndia, and last year we CodeForIndia applied to be one of the teams working on the Learning X Prize. The Learning X Prize is a competition set up by the X Prize Foundation to create a tablet application that can help young people ages 7 to 11 years old learn math and language skills. One of my main ideas behind Jaga Study is that we get practical experience programming by working on meaningful social service projects. And this is one of the first ones that we've done where we're really doing it as a group.
I'm part of a group of teachers here at Jaga who've been going over to the school in the mornings. The idea is to use a chatbot interface to teach kids math, reading, and maybe a little bit of writing.
हमने सभी स्कूल्स में देखा है, बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, उनके ऊपर एक प्रेशर होता है, प्रेशर में बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, कुछ सीखते हैं, कुछ नहीं सीखते हैं, और उनको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता है। मेन पॉइंट ये है कि जिस चीज़ से बच्चे भागते हैं, मेरे को लगता है बहुत, क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी टाइम उसमें ऐसा काफ़ी बार ऐसा देखा है, बच्चों को मैथमेटिक्स में सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है। लेकिन इस एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू बच्चे टैबलेट्स पे वर्क करने के लिए उनको एक गेम की तरह ये फील होता है, तो गेम खेलने के लिए वो मैथमेटिक्स की तरफ आ रहे हैं।
Primarily, I've been spending time with students in classrooms, understanding how they interact with the app, what are the problems they're facing, how can we improve it, and what forms can the current app take, and what things it can teach students. Another specific problem that I am working on is adapting it to Kannada. It comes with its own set of problems, and it's really interesting because I speak both languages. It's very interesting to see how it can adapt to Kannada, and definitely it cannot adapt. It can't just be a Google Translate. It needs to have its own persona, and a lot gets added in translation. Addition pass. I am basically engineer, so I am working at the core stuff for this. We are working on two branches basically in the coding field. One is Java, one is Android. At first, we used to work on command line, like I told you. So then Amar came into the scene and he made a basic chatting app. It was very basic code there, not a lot of problems before. So as I told you, I am currently learning Android also. So what I do is I try to learn Android, then I try to implement that in project.
So first 15 days like we did HackerRank to get a badge. So I got this algorithm badge, and most of us did. So this is the problem, and this is the editor to solve here.
So I really love living on a organic farm outside of Bengaluru and working on social service, web and mobile applications. Out here we're able to have a more, I'll say, healthy, relaxed lifestyle, and that I feel like from a place of being healthy and relaxed we can really engage some big, meaningful challenges like the Learning X Prize, and using tablets to address child education. And towards that, I'll say that I'm doing a fair bit to just sort of like provide the context and get us started and get a meaningful application up that then has components that people can develop. And I'm sort of working and pushing towards getting a sort of a regular culture of app development going.
This is where actually you write the problems. Here you see we have our problems folder, and then we have addition, decimal addition, decimal division. Like here you have all your code, and subtraction, variable addition. This is just the math problems. And with this we are developing also our other paths, like stories, like language, like reading and writing for kids. So this is what we have like right now going on. Beside this, which was like the technical side, we had a lot of work to do, like on the group, the team side, like the creation of the content, the creation of the problems, the creation of text, the languages, the different supporting for different languages, the graphics, the images, the logos, and the name of the application and everything. One of the most difficult things is like getting involved as a team, like trying to, starting from scratch. You have to figure out like the vision, the path, the road. You have to figure out the tools. You have to figure out who is able to do what, and then you have to put all together.
One, two, three, four, five.
We go over there, we have sessions with them. On Sunday we have 2 sessions with them back to back. So in the morning session we have the younger kids, and after them we have a 1.5 hour session with them. After that we have the elder kids coming up, and we repeat the same thing with them. So basically we decided we're going to stick with media, because it's it's not exactly games, but it's something that is related to the field. They can run around, they can do things which are more creative. So we have to teach them how to take photos, how to take videos, how to make some music, then how to edit the photos, how to edit the videos, and probably how to edit the music.
The tablets we're using cost about $50 each, that they're pretty good, and that we're able to sort of get them out there and kids engage with them and sort of know what's happening. And so I feel like my experience of going through this for a little while has really kind of convinced me that this really is a special moment in history in this regard.